Hey, what's up? It's the Nomad Brad, and I've got something for you that's a little different. I want to show you a really cool tool that can literally save you years of your life and help you watch videos faster so that you can learn faster. If you're watching this, you're probably into learning things online. I know I am. I spend almost every day watching tutorial videos, and it's one of the best ways to learn, but sometimes you don't need to sit and listen to the whole video, at the normal speed to get the whole thing. So if you double or triple the speed of the video, you can get the same information downloaded twice as fast. So it just saves you tons of time. And I've loved this plugin for a long time. It's saved me so much. So a lot of the platforms like YouTube are starting to have an ability to, 2 times or 3 times the video speed already. But this plugin kind of fills in the gaps for when YouTube is not the video provider, or if they happen to disable the ability to have controls on the video on the website that you're watching. It can be so frustrating. So I just wanted to show you this tip because I use it all the time. It's saved me in so many situations. So here's an example. I'm watching these Builderall training videos here, and see they're using Vimeo, it looks like, to host the videos, and there are no options to go faster. So I was just like, oh. And some of the training is for really basic stuff. I want to learn it, but it's like, how to build web pages and stuff. I want to skip over most of it. So anyways, this is where this tool comes into play. So if you look up here, I have this thing called Enounce My Speed, and I haven't, to be honest, done a lot of research into other alternatives or anything. I just know I've been using this for, I think, like 6 or 7 years, and it still works and it's still great. So I really like it. I mean, if you know of any other alternatives, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to check those out and review them as well. It is a paid product, so I'll put a link in the description so you can pick it up if you want, and it'll probably be an affiliate link, so thank you if you end up buying through that link. But anyways, this is how it works. So I went to watch these videos, and well, you can see, so this is the normal speed. In this video, I'm going to do a general walkthrough. So I'm already kind of bored, So what I do is I turn on the slider here. It's kind of always watching, and if it detects in your browser that you're watching a streaming video, then it will kind of like catch on and take control, but normally it's set at 1.0, so you won't notice a difference. So if you don't want to speed up the videos, it'll just be a normal video. If you do, however, then check this out.
Dashboard. I'm going to start on the home page of the dashboard, and if at any time you want to get back to the home page,
yeah.
So now we have the same video playing at twice the speed, even though there's no option to do that.
I think this is amazing. I think it's going to save you tons and tons of time. So if you like that, if that interests you, then check out the link in the description below and maybe pick up My Speed from Enounce. And I think there's a 14-day free trial or something. I'll just click on the link and see what's going on there. But anyways, hope you appreciate this. The Nomad Brad. I will talk to you later.